Hi guys! So I'm very excited about our next week of STEAM. We had a little bit of a change of plans, and instead of doing magnets, we'll get to magnets, I promise. But instead, we're gonna do Legos first. So I wanted to show you my Lego wall. Everybody has seen the Lego wall, and it's really fun to play at. You guys will get a chance to do it. We only can do one at a time, but you will get a chance to play at the Lego wall. And while you're waiting for your chance at the Lego wall, I wanted to show you my other station. So we've got all of the Legos are in the drawers right here, and you just pull the drawer out and get a handful of Legos. And in this bucket, you're gonna see all of these boards and these buckets. So you put the Legos into the purple bucket and you take a board and a whiteboard marker, because each one of these boards has a Lego plate on one side and a whiteboard on the other. Now, our challenge this week, you're gonna come into the room and you're gonna sit down at your space, sit down at the table, and Miss Heidi and I are gonna pass out a board and a bucket of Legos and a marker. And then we are gonna do what's called task card challenge. So I've got containers full of all those little cards in there. And when you open them up, your job this week is to finish as many challenges as you can. And that's what the whiteboard part is for. That's how we'll keep up with it. For instance, these cards say, make something that is symmetrical, which means the same on both sides. Now, you could do a square. That's the same on both sides. But how creative can you get? Can you build a tree that's symmetrical? Can you build a flower that's symmetrical? This one says, build something made entirely blue out of Legos. What can you make that's blue? Could you do a square? Sure. Is that exciting and creative? Not really. So be really, really creative when you try to do these challenges on how many you can do. And then Miss Heidi and I are gonna come around and we're gonna see if we can tell what you made. Now, when we're done and it's time to clean up, nobody likes to step on a Lego. So it's important that we pick all our Lego pieces up. We put all of our pieces back into our buckets. We put all of our task cards back into our container. And then Miss Heidi and I will come and clean and sanitize everything and put it all away. The other important thing to remember is that this is not a partner challenge this week. This is an individual challenge. This is when you're going to work on your own. So I want to see who can really be creative without having a partner to help them. I hope that you guys are having a really good day. Don't forget, actually, let's see if you can remember. What letter in STEAM do you think our Lego challenge is going to meet? Are we doing S? Are we doing science? Are we doing T in technology? Are we doing E for engineering? Or A for art? Or M for math? Are we doing a few of them? When you come to class this week, that's going to be one of the questions that I want you to try to answer. What letters does our Lego challenge actually meet? See you soon.